up, everybody? Carrie broke his locks back again with a quick video. Today we're going to talk about which one is better, the bun or the ponytail for working out at the gym. Now we're going to base our judgment off of only two things. How long are they and what are you doing at the gym? So as you can see, I wouldn't call mine long, but they're not short. For me personally, if your locks are about this length, then chances are you'll be wearing a bun. However, I would say that for my use case, I wear a bun to the gym maybe about 2 out of 3 days going to the gym. So that one day, the other option is the ponytail. Now that's going to bring us right into what are you doing at the gym? Me, I like to lift weights. When it comes to just about every other day of the week, I'll be wearing a bun because it keeps the locks off the back of my neck. It keeps them, I wear a weight belt also. It keeps them from getting stuck in the belt. When I'm sitting down on machines, I don't, like when you sit down like this and your locks get stuck, you can feel the snag happening. I don't like feeling that. So there are very few days where I'll wear a ponytail. That's why I prefer to wear a bun. If I do find myself on a day where I have to do exercises that involve me bringing my hands over my head, the bun no longer makes sense because that's going to impede on my ability to do this. There are some exercises that do involve this. Another time where I might find myself preferring to wear a ponytail would be if I'm running. I mean, I've already made a great video on how to make a sturdy bun. I can go running with my bun, but just to avoid the possibility of it falling out and you're running, or if you're jumping around, then you're probably going to be more safe wearing a ponytail. Now, my days typically don't involve a ton of cardio or a lot of like jumping or moving around like that, so that's why you'll find me in a bun more often. I don't know if you're into like CrossFit or dancing, Zumba, powerlifting, stuff like that. If you're a powerlifter, I would say wearing a bun would probably be the best way to go because you're probably not doing a whole ton of cardio or jumping around, and that's also if your locks are this long too. Like if your locks are like shoulder length, you can do whatever you want with them. Really, you can let them go down like this and you'll still be fine. Your hair might get in your face every now and then, but like that was a time where I needed to worry very little about whether my locks were in a bun or in a ponytail. I could just go into the gym, let them be loose and have a great workout. But when they get longer, you gotta have to worry about where are they? What are they doing? Might they get snagged on something? And there are people with locks longer than mine who do actually let them just kind of do what they do. I'm not there. I feel the snags. I can't work with the snags going on. CrossFit folks, you could probably get away with having your locks loose, but you'll probably have them in a ponytail because that avoids the possibility of them falling out of the bun. Is there a real clear winner here? No, there's not a clear winner here, but just make sure that whichever style that you are wearing to the gym, that it fits what you need. If you do choose the wrong style, I have a secret. There's nothing wrong with changing your hairstyle while you're at the gym. I've done it before and yeah, let me know that. Feel free to let me know in the comments if you guys like to wear your locks a certain way to the gym. If there's a way that I didn't mention here, if there's a certain style that you have that might be the goat of all styles to wear your locks to the gym, drop the secrets down below. Please share. And if this video was helpful to you in making the decision on how to wear your locks to the gym, feel free to subscribe. Let me know what kind of content y'all want me to make, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.